Okay. Question number 75. Which one of the following was the venue of second BRICS Youth Summit of Ministers, Officials and the Youth Delegates? Okay. Question like this, you can relate these questions with your current events. Okay, like what is BRICS? It means B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China and S for South Africa. Okay, it was formed in year 2001. It was formed in year 2001. That is important fact about this. So the last year BRICS meeting was organized in India. Okay. Sorry. And 13th meeting was organized in Delhi. 13th. Okay. In year 2021. Last meeting was organized by India in New Delhi. It was 13th. Okay, so let's proceed to the question number 76. Which one among the following state of India has recently proposed to frame a first internal security act to deal with the challenges of terrorism, insurgency, communalism and the caste violence? And this state is Maharashtra. Any initiative started by any state government, you must be aware of that. Okay, this come under the current affair events. Okay, so the next question is, the World Humanitarian Day is being observed every year on the which date? Okay, 24th, 19, 10 and 8. First of all, eliminate. 8th of March we celebrate International Women's Day. International Women Day. Okay. 10th of December what we celebrate? Human Right. ठीक है, 10th of December Human Right Day. Human Right Day. You're left with these two, 24 October and 19th of August, and your correct answer is 19th of August. 24th of August, 24th of October we celebrate UN Day, United Nations. Okay, what? UN Day, United Nations Day, in year 1945. Clear? So with this you could get an idea that these dates are also important as per your paper is concerned. Okay. So the next is, surge pricing takes place when a service provider raises the price of his product. Surge pricing means what? When the demand is going on and on, then what producer do? They increase the price. That is called surge pricing. तो ये कब होता है? प्राइस कब आप बढ़ा देते हो? प्रोड्यूसर किस टाइम पे उस कमोडिटी का प्राइस इंक्रीज करते हैं? Your answer is option number A. Rises the price of its product or services as demand outstrips supply. सप्लाई से भी ज़्यादा जब डिमांड बढ़ जाती है उस टाइम पे क्या करते हैं प्रोड्यूसर्स? उसके प्राइस को बढ़ा देते हैं. ठीक है. By next question, by filling which of the following condition can be political party claim the status of national party? किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को हम नेशनल पार्टी कब मानते हैं, उसके लिए क्या कंडीशन होनी चाहिए? रीड दिस. Read all the points. The secures it secure at least 6% of the valid votes polled at any 4 or more state at the general elections to the House of the People or to the State Legislative Assembly. Now the point is, what is House of the People? Let me tell you. Here Parliament House, okay? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, okay? Total members 550, total member 250. Okay, how many? 250. So this is called the House of People. This is called permanent house. Okay, membership is 550 for 5 years, 250 for 3 years. Okay, for 6 years, every second year it gets changed. Okay, so with this is the correct option. The win at least 4 seats in the House of People. This is also correct. Okay, in Lok Sabha, that political party has to win 4 seats, at least 4 seats. Okay, with this 1 and 2, find out the option having 1 and 2. Yes, this is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. In its emphasis on the enhancing the human capacities, which one among the following does not figure in the 12th 5-year plan? Okay, skill development was there, education was there, life and longevity was there, delivery of public services was not there. So your correct answer is option number C. Which one of the following is not a target of 12th 5-year plan? इनमें से कौन सा था कि 5-year plan का टारगेट नहीं था? And it was real GDP growth rate of 8%. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. What is the difference between real GDP and nominal GDP? Okay, in real GDP we count at least real GDP with base year. Whenever we compare any year, the GDP of any year with the base year, suppose that we are calculating this year GDP by taking 2010 as the base year, means 2010 से लेकर अब तक में आपने कितना प्रोग्रेस किया जीडीपी में, या फिर उधर जो रेट थे आपके 2010 में कमोडिटीज़ के, ठीक है, उसके कंपैरिजन में आपने इस साल क्या जीडीपी में ग्रोथ की, क्या नहीं की. दैट इज कॉल्ड योर रियल जीडीपी. एंड व्हाट इज नॉमिनल जीडीपी? नॉमिनल जीडीपी मीन्स करंट रेट, इस साल का जो भी करंट रेट चल रहा है, ठीक है, उसको हम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं. देन वी कैलकुलेट द जीडीपी. दिस इज कॉल्ड द नॉमिनल जीडीपी विदाउट बेस ईयर. ओके, तो योर करेक्ट आंसर इज option number 1. So let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, we will continue this in the next class. Okay, till then take care and keep revising. Thank you.